All right, so Insurance Digest, this first installment of the new quarter, we're looking at NIIRA 2025, a new dawn for Nigeria's insurance sector. All right, NIIRA means the Nigerian Insurance Industry Reforms Act, and it is a law that was passed on the 8th of August, signed into law by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So what does that law seek? And that's the question we want to ask this morning. Joining me on the program is a woman who's been there for several years. She's been investing her time, talents, and treasures all in insurance just to see that Nigerians are better insured night and day. Mrs. Bola Odukale is here. She is a Director General, Nigerian Insurers Association, and she's joining me right now in the studios. Madam, it's nice to have you back. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Victor.
You're welcome back to the program.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure being here.
It's another year, another quarter, and of course, another time to talk insurance on radio. So let's begin by having you just gauge the mood. Let's have you gauge the mood of insurance industry as it stands today. Talk to me.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. It's indeed my pleasure being here today. Of course, the industry is agog right now with recapitalization.
Okay.
Like you know, as provided in NIIRA that you just talked about.
Right.
So the industry is really set. The recapitalization deadline is 31st of July, 2026. So the entire industry is set to recapitalize, to get stronger, to get more resilient, and to do more for the insuring public.
All right. So recapitalization here means that all the insurance companies must have a new capital base.
Yes, a new capital base must show up their capital base. For example, for those who do life, up to 10 billion. For those who do general business, up to 15 billion.
All right.
And for those who are composite, who do both, 25 billion. Then for the reinsurance companies, it's 35 billion.
Right. So this is to ensure stability, right?
Exactly, to ensure stability, to ensure the fact that we're able to serve you better, stronger solvency, and of course adequacy of capital to meet the liabilities out there.
So people won't be scared to say, well, if one insurance company goes down, my money goes down.
At all, because we're going to have a much stronger industry.
All right. So I said it earlier that this is part of the new things blowing through the industry right now. Yeah. What government is trying to do is to see how they can protect the consumer, right? Yeah. With this new law. Mm-hmm. But I needed to give me a clearer understanding of the dynamics within the insurance industry. You know, there is NIIRA, which is the Nigerian Insurers Association. There is the Chartered Insurance Institute of Nigeria. Yeah. We have NICOM, which is Nigerian Insurance Commission, and others. So where can we situate your own association in the insurance equation of Nigeria?
Okay, so NIIRA, that's the Nigerian Insurers Association, is the association of all the insurance companies and reinsurance companies that are licensed and registered to do business in this industry. It's a trade industry, you know. Exactly. It's it's principally to protect members of the association. You know, it's a trade association, you know, to protect the interests of all the members of the association, to advocate on behalf of the members of the association, to be the face of the members of the association when we are having advocacy with governments, with different agencies, just to push the interest of insurance, the insurance industry in itself, and the interest of the members of that association.
Right. Yeah. So how many companies do we have in Nigeria as it stands today?
We have 53 who are regular insurance companies.
Okay.
54 who are regular insurance companies. Then we have 10 between Takaful and micro insurance. So we have about 64 in all.
So they are growing.
They are growing.
Yeah. And from time to time, do you have foreign investors as well?
Yes, we do. We have some of our companies that are mostly foreign owned. We have a couple amongst us, and I'm sure in the future we'll still have more. Yeah.
Oh well, that sounds pretty nice because that's a sector where we have some foreign players who are also coming in too. So that sounds beautiful for everyone. Yeah. Let's talk about NIIRA now because, like we say, it's the game changer, right? The NIIRA 2025 Act. I need to just talk to my listeners a bit and enlighten them why that law has been promulgated or perhaps created and how beneficial it will be to the consumer.
Okay, so thank you once again. So the law, like you have said, was promulgated in 2025 was signed by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. And so principally it's to transform the entire insurance industry, to ensure that we have an industry that is stronger. So what we had earlier, before then, were pieces of legislation here and there. Insurance Act of 2003,
right.
We had the Motor Act, we had the Marine Act, and all sorts. Marine insurance law and all sorts here and there. So what NIIRA did was to then consolidate all of these insurance laws into one modern law, so that it could transform the entire industry. And of course, the major objective of that act is to strengthen capital base and ensure solvency in the industry, to ensure that we have insurance companies that are more resilient, to face, the current times that we are in, as far as risk and exposures are concerned. Also, it's also to enhance financial stability, like I have said, by increasing the minimum capital requirement, which we call recapitalization. Also provide for compulsory insurances. We have all been hearing about compulsory insurances. So it does more with compulsory insurances now, opens the door for more in the shipping industry, for employees, for employers. In the building industry, we have what we call the public building insurance. Also, another main point is also to ensure consumer protection. So this law, one major thing in this law now is to provide what we call the policyholders protection fund, where all policyholders, there's a fund, all insurance companies are to contribute a certain percentage, 0.25% of their gross net premium income, into a fund called the policyholders protection fund, so that in the event of nobody will go home, empty-handed, dry, because one insurance company is not doing well, and that will not even happen from the way things are with this recapitalization that we are having. This is more or less like a disadvantage to you companies. So are you guys happy about this? No, it's not a disadvantage. It's a way of doing more, to our consumers outside there. And all the companies are happy. Are they happy with this? Yeah, we are happy with it. We are happy with it. Wow. we also have what we call, there's also a fund for victims of road accidents, uninsured victims of road accidents. Uninsured victims? Yes, of road. Wow, this is news. Yes, it's good news. So that law also provides a fund, and the insurance companies will also be, contributing into that fund as well. So it's a good one. It looks more this time around into the consuming public. Yes, the insuring public. What do we get other than just having insurance? How do we protect you further, protect you more, so that everybody will continue to see the value in insurance? All right. And when you look at all of this, the overall value of this to insurance penetration in Nigeria, what do you think NIIRA would bring? Talk to me. I think it will bring a deeper penetration. It will bring more confidence in insurance. It will bring greater trust in insurance. When you take insurance policy, you are meant to be rest assured. You are meant to go to bed, with your two eyes closed. Exactly. And so this is what NIIRA would be doing more, this time around. And the industry is set. I must tell you, the industry is set to deliver value. The industry is set to ensure that we continue to push forward. Insurance is the bedrock of any economy. No economy can survive without insurance. That we know very well. Our planes cannot fly without insurance. Our ships cannot be on, in the port without insurance. Insurance is important to every sector of any economy whatsoever. Wherever and whatsoever. So NIIRA intends to, solidify it more. The industry more. NIIRA intends to make this industry stronger more, and also to deliver more value to the insuring public that are out there, so everybody can benefit from insurance. All right. So this means that people do not have any excuse not buying an insurance policy. Honestly, people do not. People should not. Okay. We'll talk much more about that. Lagos Traffic Radio flash update. We're still tracking that burning vehicle on top of Mile 12 Bridge, and control room Bukola is sending in swingers right now to tell me that men of the fire and rescue service, they are now on ground
around to try to put off that fire. So those of you stuck on the backlog there around Woody, that's the reason why you have it pretty slow. It's almost like a standstill situation because they're trying to see how they can recover that vehicle which is burning. All right, fire and rescue servicemen are on ground at the moment, so please, any moment from now that should be tackled. Other areas, other corridors are still looking very, very good. If you're coming in from Otedela, connecting Secretariat, heading towards 7 Up, looking very good. Ogudu, you have 1 or 2 bus stop activities, but no major worries. Even from our live cameras, we can tell you that. Connecting the 3rd Milan Bridge is still very good. Unilag Waterfront, not bad at all. Linking up with Adekunle, slow and steady, connecting Adeniji. All right, let's get back to the conversation, Mrs. Odukale.
Yeah.
Let's reflect a bit on policyholders and, of course, claim settlement. What would be the impact of this new law, for policyholders as well as, especially in areas of protection and claim settlement?
Okay, so one thing that the law has also done is to improve the regulatory framework to ensure that compliance is stricter.
Okay.
So this law, the NICOM insurance is not, is not going to take the issue of non-compliance.
Okay.
Kicks gloves with this law. There are provisions in this law that give room for penalties, for jail terms, and all of that. You
wow.
won't believe it.
So people will go to jail.
So people could go to jail for non-compliance. You know, so it gives stricter. There's a stricter. There are stricter rules
for enforcement.
For enforcement.
Wow.
There are stricter rules for enforcement this time around, even both from the companies and the insuring public as well, because there are certain compulsory insurances that you are expected to take, and if you do not, that can also earn you some level of penalty.
Wow.
So the same way from the insurance companies,
okay.
The timelines to pay claims as clearly spelled out. The timelines to attend to matters are clearly spelled out, and those timelines are meant to be complied with strictly. And I know that NICOM is not going to take any excuse from anybody.
Okay. All right. So, but how easy? I mean, in terms of products now, how easy can the consumer, are they able to say, well, this is the choice, this is what I want, and how easy can they get an insurance product? Is it easier now?
Yes, it is. The insurance products are always there. So what the insuring public needs to do or needs to know is to know the fact that you can walk up to an insurance company and have conversation on your insurance need. There are agents outside there. There are what we call middlemen, we call them agents in our parlance outside there, that from time to time you can always discuss your insurance needs with. So when they engage you, they want to talk to you about the different insurances, but you should also discuss and have conversation on your own need so that they can come up with the right products, because a lot of our companies are also developing different products at this time.
Okay.
We have compulsory insurances, so people are developing products even in that corridor as well, in that line as well, just so to meet the needs of the insuring public.
Right.
So products with stronger insurance companies, trust me, we are going to have companies that are able to develop products, from time to time to meet the different needs. That's the essence of it all.
I was just having a conversation with my colleagues before you came in, and we're talking insurance, and I was asking them if they have an insurance policy. Some said they had life, right?
Yeah.
And I was trying to say, well, but you can do some other things. So for instance, you can insure your voice. That's what we work with here.
Yes.
We can insure our voices, right?
I'm sure we can.
So maybe we'll be coming to you for some special products that can be designed.
Special products.
Yes, in that area, right?
Yeah.
All right, quick update from the Victoria Island corridor. I understand due to an ongoing event at Onikon Stadium, traffic is very busy, extending backwards to Kilimanjaro. Very, very slow vehicular movement is being experienced there. ascending Bonicamp Bridge, proceeding towards Onikon is busy. All right, inwards Bonicamp from Mekwe is experiencing high traffic volume as well. So take note of that. Those of you within that corridor, we have traffic managers on ground managing the situation, but we do not have any impediments there. All right, we're going to take a short break. When we return, it'll be time to hear from you on the program, and that's on 08099120777. If you have any question for my guest this morning, as we're talking insurance, especially under the new law that we have, I'll be taking calls from you very, very shortly. A brief break, we'll be back.
Mr. Man! Oh, see what you have done now! You have damaged my car!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I hope you have a good motor insurance.
Yes, I have a third-party motor insurance that will take care of all the repairs.
In fact, the benefits of third-party motor insurance have increased. First, the limit to claims for damages to third-party vehicles has been increased. Secondly, when you get your third-party motor insurance, you automatically get an ECOWAS Brown card, which means your vehicle now has insurance cover across all West African countries. And if ever it is liable on Nigerian roads for damages to a vehicle from any West African country, the premium to be paid for third-party motor insurance for private car owners, it increased from 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira to enable insurers adequately bear the cost of repairs whenever the need arises. Buy your motor insurance. Please log on to www.niip.ng or visit any licensed insurance company today. This is a public enlightenment message from the Nigeria Insurers Association, NIA.
Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM Insurance Digest making a re-entry into the program this week, and of course we're going to run through this quarter courtesy of the Nigerian Insurers Association, and the Director General of that body is very much here with us in the studio. If you want to join the conversation, feel free. Quickly getting back to the roads, Victoria Island, we did tell you Kilimanjaro pretty slow. There's an event ongoing within Victoria Island, and that is affecting movement right now. So those of you within that corridor, you need some patience, or perhaps you want to make use of alternate routes as well. All right, let's hear from you. 080-99-120-777. Okay, that's 080-99-120-777 or 091-53-877127. Also, we want to hear from you. What do you think about insurance? Have you benefited from it as well? Feel free to bring that in during the course of the program. All right, we have a message here. This one says, "Good morning, ma. My name is Chinedu, texting from Festac. Please, what exactly is NIIRA 2025 and how will it affect ordinary Nigerians like us? Thank you." All right, Chinedu, thank you so much for that one. Madam, ordinary Nigerians, that's what you call yourself.
Yes. Okay, so NIIRA is a legislation. NIIRA means Nigerian Insurance Industry Reform Act 2025, and is a law, is a legislation that was passed last year, 2025. How does it affect, what impact will it have on ordinary Nigerian? The first thing is that it gives an ordinary Nigerian more benefits. First and foremost is that the fact that there's what we call consumer protection. I talked about the policyholders protection fund the other time. This act ensures that there's a fund. There's a pool of fund by insurance companies that is put together for that purpose. There's also the accident victim, the uninsured accident victims fund that is also going to be created through this by the provisions of this
act. That is eye-opening, really.
Yes.
So that means those that are not insured and they are involved in an accident, they can benefit from it.
They can benefit from it.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is very lovely.
That is direct, in addition to other compulsory insurances. For example, there's insurance of container. These containers that run through our streets.
And they fall.
Yeah, and they fall. All of that. The liabilities that arise, from that incident. there's also an insurance, a compulsory insurance around it. So there's a whole lot, with the consuming insurance. Public there.
Beautiful. 080-99-120-777. Let's hear from you this morning. If you also want to add your voice to the conversation, feel free. Let's take this one that's coming in right now. Hello there.
Yeah, good morning, Victor.
Good morning.
Yeah, Comrade Daniel.
All right.
On the line.
Comrade Daniel, one of our regulars. How you doing?
I'm good. Are you?
Very good. So you must be very, very happy to hear the voice of the DG.
Yes, Mrs. Odukale. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Comrade Daniel.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yes, madam, there's something that's trending recently on the social media that the NIIRA law will be after landlords. That's those who have a story building or above, if their house are not insured, that the law permits the tax force to come and fill up the place. And this also the landlord will also pass this premium to the tenants or whatever. So it's of concern to people. And what do you make about it? If it's actually true. Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. So is NIIRA after landlords?
Okay. So NIIRA is not after landlords. It's after, protecting the public.
Okay.
And that is why there's, the compulsory public public building policy.
That's right.
This time around. So you have this. When you talk of public buildings are, buildings that any person can access, any third party can access.
All right.
So it's saying that, when you have people who are accessing your property, there are certain liabilities, concerning them.
That's
and
right.
Those liabilities must be, insured. Risk that they're exposed to, those risks must be insured. In addition to that, the building under construction. Yes, that is very key. Building under construction. You have buildings that are under construction. You have people, you have masons that are working there, engineers that are working.
So they must be protected.
They must be protected. They must be protected.
So that's what the
and
law
it's
is
compulsory.
saying.
That's what the law is saying.
So occupiers liability,
building under construction. You
Right.
don't expose people to undue risk.
So it's not so that the laws are after
It's
landlords.
not after the landlords.
All right, let's take this call.
Yeah.
Hello there. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
What's your name?
Yeah, Steve.
Steve. Okay. All right. Regular Steve. How are you doing?
I'm very good.
All right. Steve from Suliri, I suspect.
Yes, Steve.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay, so my question is just simply, this new
NIIRA law.
reform.
Right.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, this new reform,
Yes.
is it going to create more jobs for young people in the insurance sector?
Oh, beautiful question. Beautiful question. All right. Thank you so much, Steve. This NIIRA law, will it create more jobs, madam?
Okay, so definitely it should, because when you have improvement in any sector, it gives a lot of opportunity. When we have insurance companies that are stronger, they are able to, do more. They are able to develop more products. They are able to, open access more. They are able to, develop their technology more, and this will require expertise from young people here and there. So I believe that when there is improvement in any sector, it also opens windows for people to come in, more expertise. So definitely one of the the advantages that would happen with a stronger industry is that it will also provide opportunities for to get more people to get, especially the young people.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So I just want to say that younger ones will be able to get through.
Ones, yeah.
All right. 08099120777. Message here says, hello, Mrs. Odukale. Say, will NIIRA 2025 make insurance more affordable for small business owners? Aisha is sending this one in. Thank you so much, Aisha.
Okay.
Small business owners, will you help them?
Yeah, definitely it will help them because more products will be developed. When we have more products that are developed in that sphere, in that space of medium, small scale, organizations, and we have more people coming, the more we have people coming in to take up insurance policies, the more the insurance industry is able to expand, and of course, insurance premium. Yes, of course, definitely.
Let's take this call. Hello there. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Please, I'm calling to report gridlock on at my 12. There's no movement at all. We'll be here now for almost 1 hour.
Yeah, mile 12. We have a burning vehicle on the bridge. I just said that earlier on. There's a burning vehicle on mile 12 bridge. The men of the fire and rescue service, they are there now trying to put it off. So please, a little bit of patience still required. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your understanding. All right. So we're talking insurance 08099120777. If you want to add your voice, feel free. We did tell you that around Victoria Island, there's an ongoing event which is also slowing down things from Oniko Stadium. Traffic very, very busy, extending backwards towards Kilimanjaro. So if we need that corridor. Just some little patience required. Ascending Bonicam Bridge, proceeding towards Onikon is also very busy. 08099120777. Very shortly too, we hear from someone who says he has benefited from insurance, right? We hear from him very, very shortly. But if you want to ask any question from the DG in the studios, you can feel free to connect with us as well. All right, 08099120777. This one says, good morning, Victor. Will motor insurance claims become easier and less stressful under NIIRA 2025? Sheyi from Ikorodu is sending this one in. Madam, motor insurance claims.
Definitely. Like I said, stronger compliance.
Okay, let's take this call. We'll get back to that. Hello there.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Victor.
Good morning.
My name is Andrew, and your guest, good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Andrew.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
All right, how you doing?
Fine, thank God. I would say insurance could because it was just by God's grace, I just got this meeting now.
Wow.
I was listening to the radio.
Wow.
I say insurance care. All these years,
yes,
it's more than 100 years they've been on the studio.
They are back. They are back. They are back.
We pray that God should continue to, because enlightenment awareness is education,
right,
to people. No, it costs money anyway, but the more we do it, the more people are getting aware and enlightened.
That's true. That's very true.
I'm a beneficiary.
Wow.
I'm doing my testimony. Let's say praise God.
Praise God.
Because insurance is good, third party or comprehensive. It is very, very good, and it pays off because you save for the rainy days. When you don't have that change, when you've made your budget to do other things, the insurance comes in. They take your risk. They put it on their shoulder, and you just be working with them.
So
Thank you. Good morning.
So it's very good. Thank you so much, Andrew, for sharing your experience. And of course, I can tell you that this program is on every Tuesdays from 9:15 through 10 o'clock. But right now, let's just take some little time, Mrs. Odikale. We want to hear from someone. He says he has benefited from insurance. But let's hear from him. His name is Michael Olawale, and this is his testimony.
Good morning, Traffic Radio. My name is Michael Olawale. I run a small electronic shop at the Cotton. Somebody told me about insurance company, and I was opportune to tune in, and I got to know most of the information about it, and the benefits. Because I never thought for once that I would, what am I doing with insurance? But at some point, I was just like, okay, let me just give it a try. And at the time that I, gave it a try, it was the time I needed it most, because I wasn't expecting what happened to me last year to happen. My shop got burnt, sometime last year, and that actually affected all my goods. They were affected, but with the help of insurance company and the benefit I got there, in fact, it just came at the right time that I did it, because at the time the thing happened, I was really down financially. So I want to say a big thank you to insurance company. I want to say a big thank you to Traffic Radio for letting the world know about the benefits of insurance. It really helped me a lot. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Lagos Traffic Radio 96.81 FM. All right, so you heard Michael Olawale's testimony. All right, he was able to get insurance for his shop, and I'm sure by the time because I'm sure it was a reference. A lot of times, insurance in this part of the world is normally done by reference. Sometimes some people just wave it aside. When agents get to them, you can bear this, I beg you just want to chop my money, But I mean, luckily, Olawale was able to just key into it. Most insurance products of that nature, they are normally very cheap, maybe 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000, as the case may be. And somehow, his shop got burnt, and they told him he can get a kind of reward by claims. And today, he's here sharing his testimony. Madam, what do you make of that?
So let me first and foremost thank Michael Olawale for that testimony. And that's it. That's the beauty of insurance. That's what insurance can do. And like we have said, these products are cheap. They are not expensive. One of the problems we have is the insuring public. There's this notion that insurance is very expensive, that we won't be able to afford it. It's for the rich people. No, insurance is not for the rich. It's for those of us who need it. Whether you are poor, middle class, and insurance is actually very, very cheap, quite honestly, because it's a pool of risk. We are not we are bearing the risk of so many people at the same time. So it brings down the unit cost, per person. So it's cheap. You can always find out. Insurance will protect your business for you. When your business goes down, your business premises gets burnt, when you lose your product,
insurance will come in.
Insurance will come in.
All right, let me quickly sneak in this one before we round up. This one says, good morning, ma. I hope this initiative encourages more Nigerians to see insurance as a necessity and not a luxury. Shehu Ibrahim. Shehu, you are very, very correct. Insurance shouldn't be seen as a luxury. It should be a necessity. But madam, as we hit the finish line on the program this morning, quickly talk to our listeners. What do you think they need to do to really reap the benefits of insurance this year?
Okay. So this year, what you need to do is first and foremost to speak to an insurance company. There are so many insurance companies out there. The Nigerian Insurance Association is also out there. We have our office at 42 Sakati Numbu Street. There you can find out. You look at what you have. Where do I need insurance? Your building, your car, your property, your business, everything. You would need insurance from your employees that are working for you. Talk to an insurance company.
All right.
Talk to an insurance broker as well.
And if they have any problems, they can come to you?
If you have any problem, they will come to you. They will tell you what to do. When they give you the price, you will see that it's something you can afford. It's not that deep. It's not that bad at all. It's not that expensive. We can afford it and we need it. And when you have claims, they will pay. When they don't pay, come to us. Nigerian Insurance Association is there. Come to us, complain to NICOM. And when you put your policies in place, please read your policies. Ask questions when you are having your insurance policies. Don't just take that policy and dump it somewhere. Ask questions, read. Anywhere that is not clear, ask questions and let them explain to you so that you know what you are buying, you know what you are into, and you have good partnership with your insurance companies. Trust me, you will be happy for it.
We'll leave it at that for now. Madam, it's nice having you in the studios. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Victor. Okay. It's nice being here too.
Wonderful.
Thank you for having me.
Okay then. So I've been speaking with the Director General of the Nigerian Insurers Association, and this morning we've been able to look at NIIRA 2025, a new dawn for Nigeria's insurance sector. The program has been produced by Dayo Anthony. I say a big thank you to Joke Adeyemi and Sojioni, both of them of the Nigerian Insurers Association, NIA. This program comes to you next week by that's Tuesday by 9:15 through 10 o'clock. But till then, Victor Oteri, maximum shout out going out to our social media team, Daniel Downsey and Remy Aloko. Our executive producer is Tayo Akonle. My name is Victor Oteri. Have a great day. Bye.
Oh, see what you have done now! You have damaged my car!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I hope you have a good motor insurance.
Yes, I have a third-party motor insurance that will take care of all the repairs.
In fact, the benefits of third-party motor insurance have increased. First, the limit to claims for damages to third-party vehicles has been increased. Secondly, when you get your third-party motor insurance, you automatically get an ECOWAS Brown card, which means your vehicle now has insurance cover across all West African countries. And if ever it is liable on Nigerian roads for damages to a vehicle from any West African country, the premium to be paid for third-party motor insurance for private car owners, it increased from 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira to enable insurers adequately bear the cost of repairs whenever the need arises. Buy your motor insurance. Please log on to www.niip.ng or visit any licensed insurance company today. This is a public enlightenment message from the Nigeria Insurers Association, NIA.
From point to point on the road, rails, and waterways, we bring you up to speed with the latest traffic news, views, and comments from transportation experts. Traffic Radio 96.1 FM, traffic news round the clock.
We are the dial that helps you navigate through Lagos traffic with ease. We are the 96.1 dial. Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1